So how to make dashboards and how to use the Google Studio. It's available free of cost, and there is no problem of the installation. Okay, so when you open the Google Studio, this page will come. So first of all, you need to go to a create, because we are going to make a new report. So going to the create and report. So new page will come where you can go for new report, and new report need you the data set. So in Google Studio, we are having different data sources. So there are, you can see that there are many Google connectors, almost 23 Google connectors. Like you can take the data from Google Analytics, Google Ad, Google Sheet. So these are the different options you have. Especially if you have your own website, you can go for Google Analytics, Google Ad. If you are having YouTube channel, then you can also go for YouTube. So there are lots of, like Power BI is a product of Microsoft, and you can connect with any of the product by Microsoft. Similarly, this is a product of Google, so you can connect any product of the Google. And if you are not having anything, then the easiest way to upload the file, because we are using our own file. So I'm going to the file upload, and when you click on the file upload, software is asking you to upload a file. So now I am opening the file from here. So click to upload files, you can see. And when I click on it, so the file which I'm going to upload is this sales data. And you have to take care of this, because this file is a comma separated file. So you have to keep your file in CSV format. CSV stands for comma separated values, you can see, and click on it. And then the software will upload this file. So the software is processing this file. And once the process is done, you can add this file in report. So now you can see that it is uploaded, and you can add it. So now your data is available for the making the report. So we are adding it to the report. So a new page will come. So this is the by default graph which is coming. So I do not need this. I delete it. And the format, if you see, this is more similar to the Power BI. Your data is here. All the variables you can see in the data file are available here. And this is the canvas where you can make the dashboard. So first of all, we have to add some chart as we require in the dashboards, and with the help of the data, we will develop the different charts. And if you see these options, like first of all, we have to give some name to the report. Like I'm giving the report that ISPR dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is to give a name to the dashboard. So now the report is saved in the name of ISBR dashboard. After that, if you want to add different pages, you can go for different pages. Want to add new data set, you can add new data set. Add a chart, you can add the charts from here. And otherwise, you can just go to the insert and different chart you can see here. So like in Power BI, we are having the different charts. So similarly, we are also having the different charts here. So charts you can add by this option, or you can add a chart by this option. Suppose I go for this option, let's say table with heat map, table with bar, and the simple table. So let's click on this. So by default, a chart will come here. Now you have to define that where you want to take the serial number and where you want to take the record count. and chart area is also coming here. So from here, you can decide that which variable you need, like for example, dimension. So if you click on dimension, there are different options. You can select from these options. Suppose I click on product. So the product is coming here, and metric means the values. So what value you are showing here. So I do not want to show the record count. I even click on it, and I want to show the sales or a profit. So sales will come. So the quality of graph is not as good as in Power BI, but it is a still free of cost available tool to make the dashboards. Now, after this, after making this graph, you want to change the formatting. So formatting options we are having in this style. So if you click on this style, now there are many options coming here, like table color. So you can see you can change the colors, cell border color. So cell border you can change. So this is not coming good. Yeah. So you can change the color as per your choice. Now I also need values here. So because in this chart we have everything but not the values. So in the style, you can find out the options where we can show the values. So show number. So the sales values will come here. Okay. So in this way, and background or something. Okay. Now, after making this graph, so similarly, you have to develop many other graphs. Slowly and slowly, we will do that. You can position itself. And one more thing that again, go to the, yeah. So you can see one of the option here, theme and layout. So initially, we are having many themes of making the dashboards. Like there are different themes you can see here. If you click on this option, yeah. So most of the dashboard I have seen have the background of the black. So for this theme, you click on this. In this case, the background will be black, and all the things you can put lighter mode, or this is the theme. So from these options, you can find out a theme for your dashboards. So in Google Studio, there are many inbuilt options which is there, and you can select any of the option which you like from these options. So I think this theme is fine. Okay, so the background of this is now changed. And setup and style. Setup is used to change the values. Like you can change the data options here. If I want to change it to city, I can change the dimension and the value will change. And in style, I can change the colors. Similarly, if you want to add a new graph, you can go to the insert. Now I am clicking on the pie chart. So by default, pie chart will come, and software by default takes some values. Like the software takes the values city wise. So the categories in this chart are cities, and record count I actually don't need. So I want to show the profit or the sales. So now this graph is showing you the profit of different cities. So similarly, we can add many other charts. So dash, like if you want to add some table. Okay, so by default, the software is taking one table, showing you the city wise profit. I think the profit, we can change it to the sales. So you can report different options here. Okay, now in Google Studio, we are having different options like combo chart. In combo chart, we are showing you the bar chart with a line. And if you click on this chart, all the setup will come here. So it is showing you the sales and record count. Record count, I don't need. I need profit with sales and according to the city. So if you want to change the city from to any other option, suppose you want to see year wise, let's say year wise. So this is showing you the year wise. Year comes in the x-axis and the sales and the profit comes in bar and sales comes in the line. So dashboard in Google Studio is very easy, just like Excel. And insert another chart we can take, like Gauss chart is showing you the total, and it is showing you the total profit. So similarly, so let's try to develop more charts. Simple column chart. And dimension is year. I don't want to put year here. So month. And I'm showing you profit wise, profit on different month. Yeah. So what happened to all these charts? Yeah, actually the problem is that whatever cursor you will click on, all the charts will be connected according to that. And so you can keep on adding the different charts in this as per your requirement. And so after that, you can put the slicers, which is controlling the charts. So add a control. So drop down list is one of the options which we normally require. So click on the drop down list and it is working as a slicer. So you can see that the option is year, and if you click on it, all the year will come. So you can select the year as per your choice. And when you are not working, it is coming like this. So the slicers in Google Studio seems like this. And when you click on it, it will pop up and you can see all the options. So similarly, I can add one more control. Drop down list. So by default, it is coming again here, and we can change it to any other option. Suppose I will put city here. And if you click on this, all the city will come. and putting another control drop down list. And now I'm changing it to city or product. So these are the three controllers which I actually selected. And now suppose I want to see the product of only ghee. So we can select from here, and city we can select only Bangalore, and year we can select only 2021. So now you have all the data of 2021 in Bangalore about the ghee. And if you select all, you just click on here and all the year will be selected automatically. Again, click on all this, selected automatically, product, selected automatically. So all the these are the options that you have. Almost all the category variables you can put as a control. And because in Power BI and Excel, these slicers comes in different format, normally in terms of buttons. But in Google Studio, these slicers are not appearing in terms of buttons. It is coming in terms of pop-up. So these are just drop-down list. Click on this, and all the options you can see here. City, of the all the options here. Product, all the options here, and you can select as per your choice. So you can keep on adding all the charts, different charts, and after suppose you completed this chart. I hope up to this you are having clarity. So up to this, now the next thing is to sharing it. And if you click on the share button, just click on the share, and to whom you want to share, you can put the email ID and send. And otherwise, there are many options here. They can edit also in the graph. They can view the graph or edit the graph. So you have this control over you. If you want to show only show, then you can click on the can view. And if you want them to edit, you can click on the edit. Similarly, if you click on the manage access, so sometimes you don't have the ID, email ID of the people, and you have to send only the link. So in this case, you just copy the link copy to the clipboard, and now you can paste this link anywhere, or you can send this link via WhatsApp. You can send this link via any other source, Facebook, email, or SMS. And anybody who is having this link can see your report.